Welcome back, students. Let's summarize whatever we have studied in the lesson Geometrical Construction. In the beginning, in the previous class, we started this lesson with the first point, the perpendicular. The perpendicular means when the two lines have an angle of 90 degree, it is called as a perpendicular. Next, drawing a perpendicular to a line at a point on the line. This has three different methods using a set square. We have already studied. The second point was using a protractor. That also we have studied using protractor. Draw a point at angle of 90 degree. Join the point from this point which was already drawn on the line and the new point. And the third one was using a compass. That too we have done with the help of compass. Today we have continued the lesson with different points, drawing a perpendicular to a line from a point outside the line. In the beginning we have studied drawing a line on the points, okay, when the point was on the line. And in today's class we have studied how to draw a line perpendicular to a point which is outside the line, on the line and outside the line. First method was by folding paper. We have studied that. Second method was using a set square. And the third one we have studied today is using a compass. Lastly, we came to know what means a perpendicular bisector. A perpendicular bisector is a line segment or a line which is at an angle of 90 degree, as well as it makes two equal halves of the original line segment. In this example, we have come to know why line Q is not a perpendicular bisector and why P is the perpendicular bisector, because it makes two equal halves. Also, it is at angle of 90 degree, which is not the Q. Q makes two equal halves but not an angle of 90 degree. Also, we have studied about drawing the perpendicular bisector of a line segment using a compass. First, take the compass, place the sharp end and cut the arc. Draw the two arcs, upper side as well as lower side. Second time, place the sharp end here at point B. Draw the two arcs, you will get intersection somewhat like this, okay, and then finally join the two intersections. Only thing you have to keep in mind, that is your adjusted distance should be greater than the half of the given line segment. Today we have completed with this lesson geometrical constructions. Thank you.